In this video, we will discuss the PeopleCert Take2 exam retake. Your certification exam is an investment in your career. It takes time, effort, focus, and money. Take2 is a way to save on all of that. Think of it as exam insurance. If you have an unsuccessful exam, you get another shot to try again without purchasing a whole new exam. Take2 is a fraction of the cost of a regular exam. It is non-transferable and non-refundable, but you must purchase it at the same time you get your exam. Just like insurance, you have to have it before you need it. If you do not pass your exam, PeopleCert will email you to schedule the exam retake. Take2 is valid for 6 months after this point. Take2 is also available through your separate purchase of an annual PeopleCert Plus membership. You can purchase both Take2 and PeopleCert Plus from GogoTraining at a discount, so be sure to call us at 877-546-4446 or email us at CustomerService@GogoTraining.com to learn more and request your discounted purchase link.